Andromeda is a spiral galaxy located 2.5 million light-years away from Earth. It has about 1 trillion stars and more than 2 trillion planets. But the fact is, it is coming towards us. Before we get into this video, let's take our sponsor. This video is made possible by Vikings. Vikings War of Clans was inspired by famous strategy and RPG games of 90s like Warcraft that we all played and loved. Vikings World is so addictive that it has more than 20 million online players constantly changing the way game evolves by never-ending fighting over resources, forging new alliances and competing in the live event. If you use the links given below, you will get a special bonus of 200 gold coins and a protective shield. Also, this month, Viking is holding a contest in which you can win drones like Spark, DJI and Phantom. The contest will be held in the beginning of this October on Viking's Instagram page, which is also linked below. So check this out.